Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Freshdesk or Freshworks chat history into CRM step by step clearly. To restore Freshdesk or Freshworks chat history into your CRM, start by logging into your Freshdesk or Freshworks account. Navigate to the admin settings in your Freshdesk or Freshworks dashboard. Locate the Integrations section in the Settings menu. Find the CRM integration option that corresponds to your CRM system. Click on the CRM integration option to access the configuration settings. Next, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access chat history. Look for the option to export chat history within Freshdesk or Freshworks. Select the date range for the chat history you wish to export. Download the chat history file, which is typically in CSV or JSON format. Once downloaded, open your CRM system in a new tab. Log into your CRM account with the appropriate credentials. Now, navigate to the Import section of your CRM. Upload the chat history file you downloaded earlier. Follow the prompts to map the chat fields from the file to the corresponding fields in your CRM. Ensure all necessary fields are correctly mapped to avoid data loss. Start the import process and wait for it to complete. Once the import is done, check your CRM to verify that the chat history has been restored successfully. If you encounter any errors, consult the CRM support documentation for troubleshooting. Repeat the process if needed until all chat history is restored to your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.